So today we've got a Polo TSI in the workshop. The problem is all of a sudden the car stopped moving when it was put in drive, and it was towed and brought to the workshop. Now if you can, when I switch the key on, you'll be able to hear the mechatronic pump coming on. It should come on for a few seconds and cut off, but it remains on continuously. So I'm sure you can hear the pump running, so we know there's a drop in oil pressure. So I'm going to remove the mechatronic unit. So I've installed the clutch fork releasing tool, and I'm currently gonna remove this mechatronic unit. So it's almost out. Once it's out, I will start recording again. So these are the pistons that push onto the forks, K1, K2 forks. And also the motor with the accumulator. Currently I'm doing the adaptation. So I've done a video on how the basic settings is done. You can check that out. So I've done the basic settings now, and D1, moving ahead. Reverse, neutral, park. So I'm taking it for a drive now to see if it changes into all gears. Both gear. Fifth gear. Yeah, fifth. Sixth. Seventh.